Here at the public sites, sorting will be one of your most important duties. Here is a step-by-step guide to show you the ropes. Begin by retrieving all of the available print jobs from the printers. Next, bring them to the print sorting table, where you will be able to separate each stack by their unique UBIT names and lay them separately onto the table. Your colleague will retrieve the separated print jobs and then place them into the racks. Alternatively, you may take the print jobs directly to the racks when the site is not busy. Sort the print jobs into their appropriate racks based on the first letter of the patron's UBIT name. When possible, sort from top to bottom. From time to time, you will need to consolidate the print jobs. Combine print jobs from the same patron and sort them into the same rack in order to create space. This concludes our sorting tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to talk to an on-duty supervisor.